question, a two-wheeler parking zone near bus stop charging as below. Okay, timing. So in the timing, you will amount you pay pandring. So 4 hours for 60 rupees, 8 hours for 120, 12 hours for 180, 24 hours for 360. Check if the amount charged or in direct variation or in inverse variation to the parking time. Direct or inverse means whether direct or indirect variation they are asking. Indirect, another name is a inverse variation. So graph data. So draw the graph and also find the amount to pay in parking time in hour. So parking time means they given a time. So x 6 hours. So what is your y? Find the parking duration when the amount paid is 150. So they given the amount. So what is the timing they are asking? So I already wrote the half of the answer. They given the tabulation, so plotting point. So from the tabulation we get x is also increased, y also increasing, right? So therefore it is a variation. They are asking first whether it's a direct or inverse variation. So it's a direct variation. Direct variation equation is y equal to k into x. So I am taking that the first equation. So I am taking this first point. I am finding k. So x equal to k, y equal to 60. Substitute in this place. So 60 equal to 4 into k. So this 4 is moving this place, so division. So 60 by 4. So cancelling this in first in 2 tables, so 2 times this is worth 30, again cancelling 15. So k is 15, substitute in 1. So getting y equal to 15 into x. So okay. So now the given graph, draw the graphical representation. So x axis I am taking 4 unit, y axis I am taking a 20. Okay, that will be easy. So 4 comma 60. So 4 comma 60. So 4 comma 60, then 8 comma 120. So 8 comma 120, then 12 comma 180, 12 comma 180, then 24 comma 360, 24 for 360. Okay, so I'm taking like this. Then you draw the line. So draw and join this. So you're getting a drawing like this. So put the drawing equation y equal to 15 x. Who's the equation? Then what they're asking? The first question, find the amount to pay parking. So the first one, what they given? Easy to mention in this place, ma, without any confusion. So they given a time. So x they given, so that's a 6 hours. So y we are going to find out. So y is equal to 15x. So y is equal to 6 into 15. So okay, 6 I directly mentioned. So y is equal to, so 30 balance 3, 6, so 90. Okay, 90 rupees we have to pay. So in this way they given a amount. So y. So amount is y. So rupees 150 they given, y they given. So y is equal to 15x. So 150 equal to 15x. So I need a x alone. So 150, this 15 moving, division. So what's the x? So 10. So therefore what? The parking time equal to 10 hours. Therefore, the amount paid equal to 90 rupees 90. Okay, so we have to mention in this place. So for 6 or for 90, where is the 6? In this place a 4, right? So 2 tables. Okay, so 4. So 4 means how can we take? 4, right? So we have to take, so 6 to this. Four lines. So 10 by 4, right? So 2 point something. So 2 box we will take, no problem. So 1, 2, so 5 and 6. The 4th box you will take for 6, okay? So 6. So 6 to what? 90. Where is the 90? The middle of this. So draw the dotted line. First lower to draw ma. Then we can adjust, no problem. இல்லை மிஸ் எனக்கு இது கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னா இது நீங்கள் வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம் 2 போட்டுக்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா, நோ ப்ராப்ளம். Okay, so this 6,90 and the next one is 10,150. 10 where it is a 10, so 8 to 12, 9 and 10 the same, 10 to 150. So make a point, that's it.